at the One-to-One Mining Conference in London. Can you give us an introduction to Cassini Resources?
Yeah, Cassini Resources, we're an ASX listed company domiciled in Perth. We've got a number of projects. Our primary project is a large nickel copper project in Western Australia that we're developing with our joint venture partner Oz Minerals. The project is at pre-feasibility stage and we're looking to deliver that pre-feasibility study in sort of Q2 next year.
So tell us more, what are the next steps of the project?
The next steps for the West Musgrave project are really around, we've spent a lot of time on a number of work packages in the pre-feasibility stage around metallurgy, resource drill out. It's also accompanied by a lot of exploration drilling. We've had quite a successful program this field season in Australia. So there's lots of good information that's been coming out and there's some more to come, and culminating in what we see will be a really positive study in Q2 next year.
Absolutely. So that's the sort of focus of the company. What's the strategy of the business going forward?
Yeah, so the strategy is that we're primarily an explorer developer, and we've engaged with a miner really to help us bring this large project through to sort of a final investment decision into production. So Cassini itself has a number of other sort of early stage greenfield projects. So really the strategy for Cassini is continue to progress the West Musgrave project, get it to a position that we're in production, and then use that money for shareholders and also to develop other projects, use our sort of greenfield expertise in targeting new opportunities.
And how are you positioned for funding at the moment?
We're good, thanks. So we recently raised $4 million from some strategic investors in China, Hong Kong and Singapore. So we're well funded through that process over the next sort of 12 to 18 months. So the opportunity for us is to sit tight, keep our capital structure pretty tight, and look forward to some of those project milestones that'll add value.
And what are the key messages you're trying to get across to investors at One-to-One?
It's just a great opportunity. We're going to end up with 30% of a really large project. It'll be a 10 million tonne per annum, multi-decade project. There's currently a significant gap between the project value and our market cap. We've got a market cap of about $30 million. So it's a great opportunity for an investor to come in and get good leverage to nickel and copper and some upside going forwards.
And how are you enjoying the One-to-One conference so far?
Good, just started, but yeah, it's good. I've done a little bit of this before in Hong Kong and it's a great format. So good opportunity to sit down and talk to some pre-qualified people and tell the story.
Well, thank you very much. It was
great. Thanks, Rosie.